Hello friends. So in this video I would like to discuss about how to revise cost and management accounting and financial management paper for December 2020 online examination within very few days, that is within 20 days, within 20 days. Okay, so as you know that in this syllabus there are two major heads, that is section A and section B. In section A we have to study about cost and management accounting, and in section B we have to study about financial management, and each carries 50 marks. Each carries 50 marks. Cost and management accounting carries 50 marks and financial management carries 50 marks. But for December 2020 online examinations, syllabus pattern and question paper already changed, and as you know that there are about 76 marks will come from multiple choice question and 24 marks will come from subjective type. So all the attention need to be given for multiple choice question. So let's start about the entire syllabus structure of cost and management accounting and financial management subject. In this paper there are two major sections, that is section A, that is cost and management accounting, and section B, that is financial management. In cost and management accounting section, in section A we have to study about cost and management accounting introduction, decision making tools, budgeting and budgetary control, standard costing and various analysis, then learning curve. These five important topic we have to study in cost and management accounting. Then in section B, that is financial management, in this section we have to study about introduction to financial management, tools for financial analysis and planning, working capital management, cost of capital, capital structure theories, dividend decisions and leverage analysis, and capital budgeting, investment decisions. All these things are we have to study in cost and management accounting and financial management. Okay, so again in section A, that is cost and management accounting, we have to study about the introduction of cost and management accounting, relationship between management accounting and cost accounting, and in second number, chapter number 2, that is decision making tools. In this topic we have to study about marginal costing and the transfer pricing. In marginal costing we have to study break even analysis, cost volume profit analysis, break even charts and profit charts, differential cost analysis, stock valuation under marginal costing versus absorption costing, application of marginal costing in decision making. Then transfer pricing, that is determination of interdepartmental or intercompany transfer price. Then in chapter number 3, that is budgeting and budgetary control. In this chapter we have to study budgetary control and preparation of functional and master budgeting, fixed, variable and semi variable budget, and zero based budgeting. All are important. Very easy and very important topics. Then in chapter number 4, that is standard costing and variance analysis. In this chapter we have to study computation of variances for each of the element of cost, sales variance, investigations of variance, valuation of stock under standard costing, uniform costing and inter-firm comparison. Okay, and in number 5, that is chapter number 5, we have to study about learning curve, that is concept of learning curve and its application, both theories theories and practical problem. Okay, so in section B, that is financial management, we have to study about introduction to financial management, meaning of financial management, what are the objectives of financial management, what are the scope of financial management, sources of finance क्या है, and introduction to financial market. ये सब हम लोग introduction to financial management में पढ़ेंगे. Then in chapter number 7, that is tools for financial analysis and planning. In this chapter we have to study about financial ratio analysis, funds flow analysis, and cash flow analysis. Three most important topic you must study and solve all the practical problems for tools for financial analysis and planning. Then chapter number 8, that is working capital management, very important also. In this chapter we have to study about what is working capital management and how to finance working capital. Okay, financing for working capital. Then in chapter number 9 we have to study about cost of capital, capital structure theories, dividend decisions, and leverage analysis. Meaning of cost of capital, computation of cost of capital, capital structure theories, and dividend decisions theories, Walters, Gordon models, and leverage analysis. Then in chapter number 10 we have to study about capital budgeting, investment decisions. Capital budgeting, investment decisions, very important and very easy also. Concept of capital budgeting, non-discounted and discounted cash flow method, and ranking of project. All these things we have to study in financial management. Okay, so let's move to the another content. So in this contents, I have make a plan how to revise entire syllabus within 20 days. In section A, that is cost and management accounting, we have to study about cost and management accounting, that is study note number 1. There are 6 pages and it will take 1 day for completely revision. In this study note we have to study about introduction of cost and management accounting definitions, significance of management accounting, role of management accounting in management process, functions of management accounting, then limitations of management accounting, and relationship between management accounting and cost accounting. Okay, all are theory paper. Study note number 1, 6 pages are there and it will take 1 day for the purpose of revision. Then study note number 2, that is decision making tools. In this study note we have to study about what do you mean by marginal costing, tools and techniques of marginal costing, differential cost analysis, differences between absorption costing and marginal costing, application of marginal costing in decision making, transfer pricing, objectives of intercompany transfer pricing, then methods of transfer pricing. All these things we have to study in short note number 2. 26 pages are there and again it will take at least 2 days for the purpose of revision. Okay, then we move to the next study note, that is study note number 3, budgeting and budgetary control. In this study note we have to prepare about functional and master budgeting, fixed, variable and semi-variable budget, zero-based budgeting. Okay, then in study note number 4, that is standard costing and variance analysis. In this study note we have to study about introduction to standard costing, computation of variances for each of the element of cost, sales, variances, then investigation of variances and reporting of variance, valuation of stock under standard costing, uniform costing and inter-firm comparison. These things are need to study in standard costing and variance analysis. Then in study note number 5, that is learning curve. In this study note, we have to study about phases in learning curve, uses of learning curve, limitation to the usefulness of the learning curve, factors that are affect learning curve, the experience curve, reasons for use of learning curve and application of learning curve. 5 pages are there. Again, it will take at least 1 day for the purpose of revision. Very interesting topic and very easy also. It will take very less time for revision. At least 1 day is enough. Then section B, that is financial management. It carries 50 marks, and in this section we have to study about introduction to financial management, tools for financial analysis and planning, working capital management, cost of capital, capital structure theories, dividend decision and leverage analysis. Then study note number 10, capital budgeting, investment decisions. Okay, so let's start about study note number 6, that is introduction to financial management. In this study note, we have to study about the meaning and importance of financial management, what are the objectives of financial management, scope of financial management, sources of finance, सॉरी गलती में कोर्सेस लिखा हुआ है, that is sources of finance. Then introduction to financial market, 19 pages are there, and again it will take at least 2 days for the purpose of revision. This is the theory subject, theory. Okay, in study note number 7, that is tools for financial analysis and planning. In this study note, we have to prepare financial ratio analysis, funds flow analysis and cash flow analysis. Okay, all are problem, so we need to concentrate all such illustrations. 26 pages are there, and at least 3 days required for the purpose of revision. Then study note number 8, that is working capital management. Working capital management, in this study note we have to study about what do you mean by working capital management and how to finance the working capital, financing of working capital. Then inventory management, management of receivables, then determinant of credit policy, cash management. 30 pages are there, and again it will take 3 days for the purpose of revision. Then we have to jump to the next study note number 9, that is cost of capital, capital structure theories, dividend decision and leverage analysis. Okay, in this study note we have to study about meaning of cost of capital, computation of cost of capital, capital structure theories, dividend decision theories, Walters Gordon model, leverage analysis, then earning before interest and tax, that is EBIT, and EPS, earning per share in difference point level. Very important for your examination point of view. 47 pages are there, so it will take at least 4 days for the purpose of revision, because all are problem and illustrations, so concentration need to be given in solving all the illustrations. 47 pages are there, at least 4 days required for the purpose of revision. Then last study note number 10, that is capital budgeting, investment decisions. In this study note we have to study about what do you mean by capital budgeting, what are the need of capital budgeting decision, and what are the significance of capital budgeting decision, process of capital budgeting, investment criterion and methods of appraisal. Okay, 5 most important topic in capital budgeting investment decisions. 3 pages are there, so at least 1 day is required for the purpose of revision. In this way, uh, total 20 days required, 20 days required for the purpose of revision. So revise it as many times as possible, and focus should be given for multiple choice questions, especially for December 2020 online examinations. Okay, so this is it all about planning and strategy for revision of cost and management accounting and financial management paper. This is it. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support.